Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Offroad, where we have a Tacoma compilation for you guys to enjoy today. We have a ton of 4th generation Tacomas in and some 3rd generation as well that we're going to throw in here. Starting off with this 4th generation TRD Off-Road that we're installing a King package on. We're going to be doing some Icon, Billet, Delta Joint Pro upper control arms on this one, paired up with the King 2.5 remote fin reservoir coilovers and shocks all around on this one, and we're doing the track bar in Billet from Icon along with the upper and lower billet trailing arms as well that you see right here. The rear end also gets some King end links. Our shop 88 Rotors is located in sunny Southern California in the city of Baldwin Park. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us anytime by phone during regular business hours, or you can message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. As of today, August 31st, 2024, we still have pallets of King shocks in stock. We are an authorized and stocking dealer for King shocks and Icon vehicle dynamic suspension parts. If you're looking for something for your vehicle, check out our website at 88rotorsoffroad.com. We have lift packages, pre-packaged, pre-assembled, and pre-adjusted so you can get it and install it the same day. This taco is now complete, so we're taking it out for a quick test drive down our cul-de-sac. What do you guys think of the outcome? Drop a comment down below and let us know. Next up, we have an underground TRD Sport 4th generation Tacoma that we're installing an Icon Stage 2 setup on. The 4G TRD Sport Tacoma is brought in. We're going to bring it up on the lift now and remove all the factory suspension components and get it ready for the new Icon Stage 2 setup. The Icon Stage 2 setup is a great option for those that want a full coilover and shock setup with upper control arms. Front coilovers have been adjusted to a level setting, which gives it about 2 inches of front lift. All Tacoma TRD Sports come with a wind deflector, even the 3rd generation did as well. And that's one of the first things that people remove. Yes, it does create more drag once removed, but it doesn't look that great on the vehicle. And it's also supposed to direct air towards the radiator, but that's kind of subjective whether it looks good or not. What do you guys think? Drop a comment down below and let us know. The Icon Stage 2 setup for the 2024 Tacoma consists of the 2.5 VS IR coilovers up front with a tubular Delta Joint Pro upper control arms. It also has a front differential drop. The rear gets the 2.0 VS IR shocks. Still one of the most popular wheels that we sell, the Method MR305s in double black. This right here is a 17 by 8.5 size with a positive 25 offset. The tire of choice here are the Falcon Wild Peak AT4Ws in a 285/75/17. This vehicle is now complete, so we're going to bring it out for a quick test drive. We hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. Clicking on the like button now will not interfere or interrupt the video. Next up, we have another 4th generation Tacoma TRD Off-Road that's in for a King suspension setup. Next up, we have a white Tacoma TRD Off-Road. This one is in for the King 2.5 remote fin reservoir coilovers and shock setup with the rear end links. We're also installing a Camburg Kinetic Billet Uniball upper control arm setup in the front to maximize articulation and to bring all the alignment specs back within spec. We have these complete King packages for the 4th generation Tacomas on our website, in stock and ready to ship. If you want the direct link, check out the description below. Next up, we have a couple of 3rd generation Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4s that we're doing a King suspension setup on with some Camburg tubular uniball upper control arms. The next one that you see here is going with a 6112 and 5160 setup with SPC ball joint upper control arms and a Deaver add a leaf in the back. These right here are the Bead Grip Method MR703s in a 17 by 8.5 size with the 0 offset that we wrap in a 285/70/17 Falcon Wild Peak AT4W. The Bilstein 6112 setup with 5160 rear shocks with SPC ball joint upper control arms and the Deaver out-of-leaf system is one of our most popular packages. Why? The price point is good on it. It's still a complete suspension lift, it rides great on road, and guess what? It's still capable of some good off-road trails. Oh, and another thing, it's high enough for you to clear 285 7017 tires with the proper wheel specs. And here's a third generation Tacoma TRD Sport 4x4. This one received our Bilstein 5100 setup with Old Man Emu lift springs, Deaver out-of-leaf system, and SPC ball joint upper control arms. This is one step down and the entry level of the Bilstein packages that we do carry. Next up is another King package with compression adjusters and Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms and a Deaver out-of-leaf on this Tacoma TRD Sport 4x4. We have some more 4th generation Tacomas coming up, but for now, let me show you a few more 3rd gens. This one right here is a TRD Offroad model. This is a pre-runner that's coming in for a Fox 2.5 IFP setup up front with some rear 2.0 remote reservoir performance series shocks. To maximize articulation and to correct the alignment angles in the front end, we use a set of Elevate suspension tubular ball joint upper control arms. Swing it back over to the 3rd generation white colored Tacoma TRD Offroad 4x4. We just installed the Deaver out-of-leaf system. Our tech is now mounting up the bracket for the reservoir for the King shocks that's going on here. Let's take another closer look at the front 2.5 IFP Fox shocks with the Elevate suspension upper control arms. This pre-runner came in with a previously installed set of Black Rhino Stadium wheels with some 285 7017 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tires. Over to the other one, the King suspension setup, 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks with compression adjusters have been installed with the Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms. Deaver out-of-leaf system has also been installed in the rear. For the wheels and tires on this Tacoma, we went with a set of RRW RR7H flowform wheels. This is a 17 by 8.5 size with a 0 offset in a matte black finish. We wrapped it up in a 285 7017 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2s. Did you guys see that we just received a new container of RRW RR7H wheels at our 88 surplus warehouse? We have some new, exciting colors, Hyper Silver and Gloss Black. If you want a set for your vehicle, check it out at 88rotorsoffroad.com or check the link in the description also. Use the promo code YouTube to get $100 off of a set of 4 or $2,500 off a set of 100. Next up, we have a 4th generation underground color Tacoma TRD Offroad 4x4. This one's in for a King suspension setup. Pairing this kit up with a Camburg Kinetic billet uniball upper control arm up front with some King rear sway bar and links as well. You know we stock a ton of wheel options here at 88 Rotors at both of our warehouses on the block. But for some reason, a lot of guys are feeling this MR305 in double black for the 4th gen tacos. If you guys like what you see here and want to see more, make sure to follow us on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Offroad. We have 2 more Tacomas to show you. Here's a 3rd generation Army Green that's going with a King suspension setup with Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms. We did a body mount chop on this one to clear some SCS wheels. We have another 4th gen Tacoma in underground that's in for a ready lift setup. guess what this Tacoma owner chose? The Method MR305s in double black. We wrapped it up in a 285/75/17 Nitto Ridge Grappler on this one. With the Ready Lift kit installed and all 4 wheels and tires mounted and balanced and put on the vehicle, we now torque all 4 wheels and tires down to spec before we bring it out for a quick test drive. There you have it, folks. Thank you very much for tuning in today, guys. We greatly appreciate it, as always. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another video. Until then, take care, guys.